Resuming the assessment for Dell E5570. Gonna go, would you mind flipping that over for me, please? Okay. Dell laptop has multiple ports on the side, has ports on this side as well. And most notable physical condition is that the hinge has completely dislodged, and some wires are exposed over here. So this is likely causing the display not to appear. It's completely blacked out, I'm sure, and the customer's looking for a quote on the replacement of the Dell Latitude E5570. It's quite interesting to see this this particular laptop. It looks like it has fingerprint security over here, and also has a mouse trackpad and also a mouse touchpad. We're waiting for Cyberion to pull up some parts costs on the Dell Latitude E5570 LCD panel, and then we'll give the customer a quote based upon parts cost and the labor to replace this entire